Hi, this is Bree, and today I'm going to tell you about BrainPop Jr. This website is geared toward K through 3 learners. It provides movies, concept maps, games, interactive vocabulary, and more. The content explores our early elementary curriculum across these subject areas. Everything will also be read aloud. You just hover over it.
Bullying, conflict resolution, determination, writing about yourself.
So today we are going to be exploring 3rd grade, and we're going to be exploring the science area. So this page shows all of your science units. So today, let's explore space.
Space.
These are all the topics in the space unit. So let's explore the solar system.
Solar system.
Each topic has a movie that's about 3 to 5 minutes long.
What's up, Moby? You're building your own space shuttle? You want to explore our solar system. What is in our solar system?
So throughout the movie, Annie will ask a question and it will show up on your notebook. The pause button will turn red, signaling a moment where you can pause and discuss with your students. These notebook questions are also printable and a great use of a note-taking tool. Each movie has features that help reinforce and extend the topic. They have different leveled quizzes that each have 5 questions each, and they're also multiple choices, and they address different critical thinking skills. Then they have a draw about it.
Draw about it. Draw.
So here it says draw the solar system.
Draw the solar system. Be sure to think about the sizes and colors of the planets.
So the students can draw the solar system. Then they also have Belly Up, which is a comic. And finally, they have Pop a Joke. It says, what did Earth say to Saturn? Give me a ring sometime. So as you can see, this website can be very useful when teaching your class or just using it outside of school. It also can be used as for educators and for homeschooling.